It's September, so of course you know I have a pumpkin recipe for you. So I'm going to be showing you how to make these easy blender gluten-free pumpkin waffles. So the recipe is in my Plantifully Lean book, which is now in stores. The link is also in my bio. We're going to make these beauties today. So everything goes in the blender, super easy. You're going to start with 2 cups of rolled oats. You do want to make sure they're gluten-free if you want this to be gluten-free. Then you're going to add 2 bananas, half a cup of some pumpkin puree, just like that. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then some pumpkin pie spice. I like to add about 1 teaspoon and then 1.5 cups of water. You're going to give that a blend and then it makes this gorgeous batter. And then you just want to get your waffle iron all heated up. This was given to me for my wedding 20 years ago, and this thing is still running strong. I do have to lightly spray it, but then all I do is pour my waffle batter right into the waffle iron, just like this, and then put the lid down and let it sit for a while. If you try to pull them apart and it's, the waffles are sticking and pulling apart, then you didn't leave it down long enough. They should look nice and brown, just like this. Guys, they're so good. The house smelled amazing. It smelled like fall heaven. So then I like to take a few banana slices and then cut them into these cute little square, banana butter pats. My kids love eating the waffles with some banana and it's so cute. It looks like a little pat of butter. So put that on there, a little maple syrup, so good. And that's it. Breakfast is ready, or lunch or dinner, whenever you want to eat these. Look how gorgeous they are. They're so good, so quick, so easy. I ate a ton of these when I was on my 70-pound weight loss journey. You can have 7 of these waffles with a little maple syrup for only 481 calories. So, so good. I hope you guys give them a try.